Active, my J.
I mean, see I did, are you there?
Yeah, then I place my J, man. You see me?
I mean, I know WaterFord there.
No, my J.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Go and live a little, you know?
I mean,
That is it.
big up,
my J.
big up WaterFord,
Big up what?
Wagwan, my people, and bless up. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we're there with a hot one, my people. A hot one. And you don't know, God is the greatest. So we have to give God thanks for life. Alright, my people, you don't see what going. Vybz Kartel did a live today and at up the internet. You understand? This is officially the second live that he has done from his IG page, my people. You understand? And he also described the first live that he did and everything what happened. The man said after him did the first live, that was when he was in Spanish Town correctional facilities, and the man said the next day, the next morning, be a police there him tour, them take off all the paint off of the wall, him TV, everything. But people may have the video and me I go drop it. And as well as you done see the starting of the video, Vybz Kartel, where him say, but WaterFord. The boss say, yo. Anyway, me not even got to chat my people. No don't know. Me I got beg on you just go and like, share, subscribe on the video, yeah. Me I got drop the video now, my people. At bless upon yourself. Jamaican Chat. What the below my nose? I'm out.
Holy God, my J.
Fully, brother.
J.
I mean, active.
Active, my J.
I mean, see I did, are you there?
Yeah, then I place my J, man. You see me?
I mean, I know WaterFord there.
No, my J.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Go and live a little, you know?
I mean,
That is it.
big up,
my J.
big up WaterFord.
Big up WaterFord. You hear that?
Nah, see me over there if you know, daddy.
Well, them see with J.
You know.
You hear that?
Yeah, man, big up. Yeah,
man. You see it?
Yeah, man, that's it, that one. Big up the whole fort, though.
Yeah, man, from first phase to fifth phase,
from
man.
first phase to fifth phase, Boston, Cartel, Flatbush, Park Heights, Gaza. I mean, fully me there about bro, man, you hear that?
Yeah, I'm a J, man, you see it? There.
I know. Alright, man, I can't bother get up and go for no kerchief, yeah, man.
No, you go say right now, say you don't know them, J, isn't it?
You did tell you. Oh, uptown that, man.
Yeah.
Uptown there, man.
You know that, my J, man.
I mean, there, man, it hurt me.
I mean,
Yo,
you got Clark, Gaza.
You got shell down uptown Mondays tonight,
You hear that, my J, a world boom, I say, Siva. Make the people them say them I see G9 place and now see the G9 street, make them see them. I say, you're a world boom. Alright. I give them a sieve in. So I'm just sieve in, my G, and sieve out quick and fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, my G.
Until I say me I go sieve yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
I put out all clothes on bed, you know. Brother. I wake up and me and I hug me up the clothes them, so this is why you wake up.
Yeah.
I said,
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah, man, the vibes, yeah, man, I tell them, G, the people in the street, the miss the Gaza, you see me?
Man,
I know, G, you hear that?
I mean, big up, boom, boom, aka World Boom, you know, it's straight so. Yeah, man.
Big up World Boom,
Fully, man.
That's it.
Uptown Monday, that's that name, right?
Yeah, man. Have a little savings, my G. Have a little savings.
I'll sell it next week, man, because next week, Heroes Weekend.
Yeah.
Heroes Monday.
That is it, my G.
Dancehall hero have to be there.
Dancehall bumbuckler hero have to be there, my G.
You know what I said?
Until.
You know what I said? Them deaf.
Deaf. All a quest.
Big up quest.
Yeah, big up quest.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, that, my G.
Yeah, man, I have a big up quest, man. You see it? Modern Marina will stop with your mesh.
You don't know that. You mean? My G.
Bro, but my fucking next my Instagram, yo, man, I got charge. I was trying Instagram there. Which what them there? We have to go circle them in the
American company, you know,
IG, fix my life business. They make me have to walk through Mexico. Remember, you know, petrol, you know, I'm not talk Texaco, you know.
Texaco. Yeah, that.
Yo, John, don't start.
I don't know what I'm going with that, my G. But you hear me? People are report the page, my G. Some bad mind, bumbuckler people are report the
Yeah,
page.
but what is there to report?
No greatness them I see. I that them a report, you know. Be a greatness them I see, you know, my G. Them not see nothing than greatness. That the pussy them a report. So all this all our report. So no matter.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I hear there?
Yeah, man.
No, I couldn't Gaza citizen, so them can't get deport.
Can't get deport, my G.
Oh,
Yeah,
for really report,
that.
boy. Blood.
Hate them,
People are
hate the
coming right.
goat. Yeah, man, I hate
Yo,
them,
that
hate the goat, my
body,
G.
that
Yeah,
body.
man. You mean? You mean?
So my glass thing that charge you
Yeah,
head up on phone and
my G.
report people.
No reason. Bad mind, man. Bad mind, my G.
Pink,
So,
oh, that Pinky Pinks. Pinky Pinks going in your bed now, man.
short dance hall.
The short dance all. I want to come midget. Everything legit still. You don't know.
Just like the digit.
Yeah, yeah, right. Hey, hey, turn up straight and don't fidget in the
Oh,
things.
fidget the things. You know,
Yeah,
fidget the the boss say. Oh, remember that blood clot. Yeah, you hear my G?
yeah, yeah.
Clot all white birthday party, you know, November 13.
November
You know,
13.
30.
Oh, November
Virgin.
13.
Oh, see them. Big up,
Yeah.
see them. Big up.
What you mean? We are going to your birthday the 13, but we are going to
Yeah,
shell down Sean's birthday the 30.
that is it, my
All
G. All
white,
white.
that means you can't dirty.
And dirty.
Yeah, man, I talk about, man. That's the thing, the man.
Heavy, my G. But,
Man. Wait, where you keep it, Siva? The Sean Stamp, all white,
Bandy.
birthday,
Yeah, my G.
all
Runaway day.
white, all day, all night. Runaway beer.
Runaway day. Runaway day, my G.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Runaway
Right
beer
on the main.
center.
Right on the main, this, sir.
So now,
Right side of Flavors Beach.
right side of Flavors Beach.
Whole Gaza Nation have to reach.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right side of Flavors Beach.
Mm.
True, we have a song with Ding Dong. We know and they said the Ravers Reach.
Yeah, my G.
Right? So, yeah, we are going
Right.
to do it. Right there. Now, me, I was it.
You are what it. You are
But remember, you used to
what
tell me when for
it.
post it, you know.
Buckler. November the 1st.
All right. All right. All right.
You
All
mean
right.
me, G. You
Untouchable
mean me, G.
Dimples. Where you text me upon my WhatsApp want me for add you for lady. I want Dimples, man. You
I
don't know.
mean, Dimples badness, man.
Dimples badness.
Holy
You
God.
hear that?
As she said from them time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I
Mm-hmm.
want Tanny, man. I want Tanny, man.
That is it, my G.
Yeah, man. That's the
Mm.
thing. Yeah, the 30th of December, people. Sorry, the 30th of November
November.
is a date one have to remember.
Remember. All
Sean
white, all
Stamp,
night.
Sean Stamp birthday that. And an all-white party.
That is it, my G.
All right. I know it go.
Holy Gaza.
Fully. You know, that's the
Mm.
thing there, man. Yeah, man. I just wake up and say, oh, man, test out my life, dog. So we did them now give me no ears, see me?
Is
I'm
it,
gonna go so boom.
G.
Jumping right now, I'm gonna go so boom, account status. Them I say, yeah, I'm free up. So I lie Instagram I tell.
So sick.
Yeah, see it? If you didn't know IG was a liar to blood clot. That means say me dey on IG all this time and I go to all Facebook me dey on and I know. I lie them a blood clot. Oh, sick that
Yeah.
yeah.
For real, my G. Just remember me tell you, the bad mind pussy them a report the page. That
Be
type
like a
of thing, man.
dot. Be like a dot for you,
Yeah.
man.
But
John
no
was
other reason I did it. I be a greatness I do, you know. Yeah, be a
thank you.
blood clot greatness I do, you know, my G.
Nah, me not do nothing. I behave myself, man. I
You
know
know that, my
badness
G.
stuff.
You know that.
Uh,
So the haters, them always a hate.
yeah, we can't stop them from hate, you know. Because the boy the sense here I hate. You can't hate from
You
greatness.
know, hate great.
It make no sense.
No make no sense, my G. pussy them. Suck on the mother again, bad man. You know what I'm doing?
Darkness in a man, no light in a man.
No light, my G.
When I sat, when I did,
Ross?
in the England.
Yeah. UK Sevens himself from here.
Yeah, man take England. Yo, man take England. Serious.
Yeah, man.
Man, I go no England.
Yeah, Jaja.
Yeah. And she sit down beside me, you know.
Yeah, my G.
Nah, man. Both drag by dreads. You know, you know all the meds.
Nah,
Well,
well,
nah, all the meds. Me don't know she drag my dreads. But may I tell you something? Remember one time they used to say you're fed, you know.
yeah.
So, careful, you know.
Yeah.
But brother, she sit outside of me, you know, and I watch your life on her phone. Babes, this is the life.
This is, yeah.
But I'm not involved. You're talking to your boy.
Why?
Why?
Why again?
Why?
Your brother.
Alright. Alright. That's
Yes,
so
them.
better.
You know the
That's
things,
so
them.
better.
I got
Brother from another mother.
I remember that.
Yeah.
Hey. Mount of why she get a while ago, she all a cough to blood.
Watch out, I hear my G.
Yeah.
Remember, see them, she immune to the wine, because she's a
Yeah,
Gaza.
Gaza.
that.
Big
You see me?
From the start.
That's why the man say immune to the wife.
Yeah, nah, I
You see
got
me?
hurt her, my G.
Big up bad girl Lily.
Big up
Just see your puppy
Lily.
in.
Original. I Puerto Rican.
Original.
I share Puerto Rican.
Yeah, she a Latina Gaza.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Latina.
man. Big up bad girl Lily.
Hey,
Big up DJ
mami.
Mega.
Hey, mami.
Yeah, man. Mungai Brian. Big up Mungai.
Real
Whole
African.
Kenya.
Yeah,
Man. One African link, man. Yeah, man.
Gaza people, them that, my G.
Hold on. Let me see. Oh, I know Bounty. There's a fake Bounty page. Where the blood clot on a fake Bounty killer page for youth. Youth. Where the blood clot. Yeah, man. Big up bad girl Lily. God.
Yeah.
That's my Bounty killer impression, by the way.
Jaja.
Yeah. Yeah.
Real, my G, man. They are going to live, you see it, my G.
Yeah. Man, I talk about, man.
I mean.
But so stuff, we can't see him from where. Like him dug in a young tree.
No, my father, my link me in idea, my G.
Okay. One Teddy.
One Teddy.
Free Cairo.
Free Jones.
I mean,
big up yourself, Jones. The real road I wait for you, bro.
I mean,
yeah.
One Cairo, you know, man, you heard me.
Jones.
She wants Sky trendy.
Remember.
Sky, where you dealing with, Sky? Big up yourself, you know, babes.
Slingers them that from Guyana. Big up in a Slingers.
One Guyana. Georgetown.
Remember that.
Guyana. Happy with money.
Hustle.
What you say?
Hustle money.
Help me.
Money.
Hello. Yeah, man. I try to bring on music, is it? But I have to tell her that she have to build her voice first, you know?
My G, remember, you know?
Yeah.
You see them a chorus to singing and done it, you know?
Done it, done. One chorus.
People who are not even artists, you know? You just say,
one chorus. Big up Gaza talk done.
I mean.
Yeah, I really talk Silver man, I talk about, man.
Yeah, man.
One. Bad girl Lily is a fully see them. I mean, a Gem Jet that, Washington DC. Remember Mac over PC, right? I mean, that's the thing there.
Lando Dancehall Mechanic, big up. Gaza Tug 718. You know I code, you know, bro. Yeah.
Lando Dancehall Mechanic. How many see him pop up?
It just seen Siv up a while ago. I said, Siv, you see me?
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. They got all mobile here. You know, that's the thing, man.
Hear them, not there.
Not there. Rain or fall where they Sean?
No, me J.
Oh.
Me J.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
Yeah, man, rain did a fall there so this morning I'm jump up.
Blessings, my G, man.
Yeah.
You know,
I tell you, man.
you hear that, my G? Buckler, do them. Blessings. I'm
Man.
not talk Okobara from Nigeria.
No.
No.
A fast runner
Yeah,
girl from them
yeah,
time there.
that girl from that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, man. Big
Yeah,
up Nigeria. You know, they say thing there.
that.
One Africa,
In Africa said, yeah, my G.
Kenya, Ghana, Zimbabwe. Shandan say we big on Jaim. Jaim, uh, uptown Jaim there. I do a one learn of badness. I mean, I'm bigger
Big
there.
I'm a nigga, you know?
I'm a nigga, aka
Yeah,
little of the aka Akil.
brother.
Yeah,
AKA
man.
man of the match.
Aka still asleep. I know wake yet. You don't wake yet.
Jaheim's joined.
Cartel.
Then, boy, big baller.
Active. Jaim say active. Little vibes. Mad in a little vibes. I
Marina
mean,
Jaja.
yeah, man. I tell you.
Big up in my nephew.
I
All
mean,
times.
I mean, they say thing the man.
This is it.
God, Claude, I tell you, say, yo, up on life on the IG, is it? Yeah, man, I
Is it?
used to see this in the making. God, my
Yeah, man.
first,
I never go live on IG yet, my G. Hey,
no,
yo.
one time I go live. One time I go live before me there at Spanish Town prison.
Yeah, my G.
And it was about 4 seconds.
With Russian when they say,
Russian.
yeah, my
For
G.
4 seconds.
Yeah.
Big up Jamaican community.
Fuck up the
Four
Rush.
seconds.
Yes, my G.
Bro. Bro, me say next day, when me look at myself, me see about 200 water. Yeah, man, and take on my TV, my radio, my book, my
Yeah.
pen, my pencil,
Yeah, me
charge
here.
it.
Yeah, arise not here, my
What
G. Yeah,
are
arise not
them?
here. Rascal, Simmons are going over
Brother,
there.
all the paint out I sell him on them take.
Pussy.
All the paint out this is Wycliffe and the rascal sponge.
Judge.
Two blood clot. Bad girl lady say I was there.
Judge.
Yeah, man, I don't go time that me go live on IG. When me there at Spanish Town prison. Yeah, man, everything gone out of myself, man. TV, everything, man. Radio, everything.
Yes, the boy.
Wire,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, man. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Judge, my G.
I'm telling you, I think I miss a Mac was a super. But he retire now. Big up Mr. Mac. Don't know. He wasn't a bad man. He was a good man. As a super.
That's a
So,
super.
yeah, you know. That's I think set, man.